I'm going to use my new Tellison neck holder here to show you guys me unboxing my weekend haul over here. So we got a bunch of boxes with a bunch of stuff we ordered. Let's open them up. The great thing about it with this neck holder is that I can have both hands free and everything will be linked below. All right, first piece of unboxing here. All right, so low box. I think I know what it is, but we've been surprised before. All right. Oh, these are some really cute magnets if you wear a headscarf or if you want to magnetize your clothes. So here you get 8 pieces. Let's see what's in the next bag. These are my socks. I need new socks. I go through so many socks that I got the Hanes ones over here and low cut. Just, okay, what's it called? These are pretty cool. They're not fun. Hey, let's open this one. Okay. So I plan on starting workout. We gotta get in shape. And I got some pants. I got a shirt. And I got some shoes. Ooh. Check out my shoes. Let's check out the shirt. This is really nice material. It's pretty long, so it's going to be pretty comfortable. It looks like it's going to be pretty loose here. Yep. No, this is a good shirt. This is going to keep me comfortable while I'm working out. Cool. Let's check out the pants, the workout pants. Am I going to be comfortable in the workout pants? Oh, those are soft. These are really soft. Okay, we got to try them on. The waist seems to be a little tight, so we got to try them on. The length is good because I'm not that tall. I'm like 5'3", so those are going to be just good length. Pretty colors. Looks like nice material. Yeah, I think I'm going to like those. We have to try them on to make sure they fit correctly, but I think I'm going to like those. And of course, last but certainly not least, we have some pots and pans over here. Let's open them. Take a look at them. They are the Ninja ones and they're the Never Stick ones. So let's see. I'm going to take one out so we can look at it. Okay, so these are the handles. They are metal and glass. They're all going to be like that, so good grip. Okay, they're not very heavy. I was afraid that they'd be heavy and be annoying to wash and actually work with. But these are not very heavy, but they have the great non-stick in here. More of the Calphalon type stuff that's going to keep them from actually scratching and going bad. They're supposed to be good at distributing heat. We are going to test them out later and let you guys know how everything turned out with them.